Okay. It's
Hi.
raining.
It is. Just about to rain. It is raining. Let's go outside.
I don't want to go outside.
I'm going to go home.
Can we make me cookies with me?
Yeah.
Yay!
And we'll take
We'll get the house to ourselves later. Kitty.
the Beatles.
Lyrics. The temperature thing. My family getting married. My mother. My other picture. Hymn book. Yes. Practice. Annoying phone.
That's not yours.
Debbie. I know. I said it. Phone. Hey, man. We had a garage sale yesterday, and no one took the car.
I only had a garage sale today. Really, you did?
Yeah, we did.
Did anyone buy anything?
Oh yeah, dude. We made like $140.
Really? Did you get any money?
No. My mom's like, no, it's all going to. Oh, dude, we're not. I don't get to go to the Denver thing.
You know, that's so retarded.
Yeah, I know. It's closed that day. I'm pissed.
Really? Why?
I don't know, but. No. There's a tornado over there. You can't see it, but it's over there. Wind.
I'm over here.
This is the sucky town of Livingston, Montana.
We live in Livingston.
That's a car.
Car.
One time I flipped off the car and they chased me.
I didn't. I'm a good citizen.
It's so cold. It's like all cold. That's my mom's house. She doesn't like me very much. She thinks I'm a that is a very neat street. Yeah, me too.
Debbie says she's there.
I only want hot chocolate. Alright.
I need breath so weird.
It's just cold.
Oh yeah.
You go to
29.
Get it off. The lighting is really bad. Hello, we're about to make hot cocoa. Get the water stuff.
What water stuff?
The cup, measuring cup.
Oh, it's right. Oh.
We need a bigger one. Okay, I stopped recording that way. We're gonna